All right, so officially starting the motorcycle part of the trip today. I know we got to ride a little bit yesterday, but today's actually going to be like a real mileage day. We're starting here just a little south of Whitefish, Montana. It's in the upper 50s. I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt. Obviously, I'm going to throw some layers on before we take off this morning. We got to backtrack about 10 miles. We're in, I'm going to mispronounce the name. I think we're in Kalispell. I'll put it up on the bottom of the screen. I don't have my phone with me, so I can't look it up. But the goal is to, we're going to go ride Glacier National Park today and then end up in Banff later tonight. So, I don't know, it's right around 6 o'clock. We're getting everything loaded up and be on the road here shortly. So I don't remember what I called the town earlier. It's Kalispell that we're leaving right now. We just went ahead. I think Ags put about 2 gallons in. I put about 1.5 gallons in. Just wanted to make sure we were leaving on full tanks. Probably got about 45 minutes to get to Glacier. So normally coming through these parks, I've never had any sort of issue as long as you get here early. Apparently I need a vehicle reservation to ride through, or I can wait till after 3. So fortunately, we'll be coming back down through here in a couple of weeks. Unfortunately, means we're just gonna have to ride around the park and head on up to Banff. We'll just cross into Canada a little bit earlier. So. I did see the thing back there that said cattle range, so that was fun. We haven't had that happen in a long time. I don't know, you want to see if this place has a bathroom? Yeah, the hell with it. I'm just gonna park like this. There's a little quick stop here to the store, but you can see the border's 38 miles. So because we didn't ride going to the Sun Road and rode around the park, we're gonna end up in Banff a little bit earlier. But that's cool because I never really got to spend any time there. So we'll have the afternoon to check things out. We should be about roughly 3 minutes away from crossing the border into Canada, into Alberta. We'll be up to the crossing here in just a few minutes and hopefully have no issues getting across. Is that a bald eagle?
I think so. I have 2 of them.
There's another one.
There's 3, yeah. Are all of them? Those babies? Wow, I've never seen that many at one time.
What was that?
I said I've never seen that many at one time.
No, me neither. See the bison over here on your right?
I can't tell. Looks like it. Yeah.
No, it is.
Mm-hmm.
I remember last time I came through here.
Just hanging out.
Alright, this border crossing wasn't too bad to get through. Made it to Alberta. Got a couple photos. Back on the road. I guess that's the fort. Yeah, we just stopped at a Circle K there, grab a snack, and only fill up for the day. We're here in Fort McLeod, Alberta, and about the halfway point. We're in a little short of 200 miles. Got about 180 left to go. It's about 3 hours. We're officially in Banff. Got a little less than 10 miles to get to the hotel. Definitely need to clean this windshield off. I think it's nasty. What? Oh, never mind. It's lunch. Sort of lunchtime.
It should be good. It's not.
It's like 2:30. All right, so we got into Banff about an hour and a half ago. Went over and hit up a local bar, get something to eat for lunch. We've checked into the Moxie, which is a Marriott property. Another free night. Got to show you this room real quick. It's kind of interesting.
I think it's a lantern, but
Yeah, I don't know what that is. So, bathroom, kind of small, but nice. Got everything you need. This is the interesting part. 2 queen beds. Never seen it done that way. Obviously, you get the TV, small desk I'll work at. This is pretty cool though. Like at first you're like, not much of a view, but yeah, there's that. How cool is that? So game plan is go down to the pool, hot tub, all that fun stuff. It's just a few minutes after 4 right now. And then come back here, get changed, showered up, that sort of thing, and go find something to eat and probably a bar to drink at. We've got more miles to cover tomorrow, but it's not a super high mileage day, just a little bit more than today was. So we're in downtown Banff. We got here early, mainly because we didn't get to ride going to the Sun Road. We'll hit that back up on the way home. Still covered, I don't know, it was like 380, something like that, 380 miles. We got 400 and some tomorrow. Got into town early, had an excellent lunch, really cool bartender from Australia. Hit up the pool, hit up the hot tub. Had a drink or two at the hotel bar, and now we're headed downtown Banff to find some dinner.